Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this super cute capybara applique. I've already uploaded a tutorial on how to turn this circle into a granny square, and the link is here, don't miss it. There are other animal granny squares to create a gorgeous blanket. Check the playlist on Happy Forest Blanket. The link is again here. The materials I've used are Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn available. Grab your yarn, hook, and let's get started. For the head, make a magic ring. Chain 1 to secure the ring and add 2 more chains. In fact, I'm having 3 chains. Double crochet into the ring. For double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. This is a double crochet. I don't count these 3 chains as one stitch, and I have 1 double crochet. Create double crochet into the ring until you have 12 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Close the ring and a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. For a slip stitch, insert a hook on top of the first double crochet. I don't need the chains. This is my double crochet and this is the top part of this stitch. Here, insert the hook, pull up the yarn. There are 2 loops on the hook. Pull this loop through the loop on the hook. And this is round 1 over. Round 2, chain 1. 1 single crochet into the same stitch here, right here. For single crochet, insert the hook into this space. Pull up the yarn. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. And chain 1. I've created a standing single crochet. It's equal to a double crochet in high. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. In fact, I'm having 2 double crochet into this first stitch. 2 double crochet into next stitch. 2 double crochet in each stitch by the end. And at the end you will have 24 double crochet in total. I have 24 double crochet. Now slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. For slip stitching, don't consider this first standing single crochet and go straight to the first double crochet. This is my first double crochet and I'm slip stitching on top of this first double crochet. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 2 double crochet in each stitch. 1 and 2. It's similar to previous round. 1 and 2. And at the end you will have 48 double crochet. 48 double crochet. slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Round 4, chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch, single crochet in each stitch. At the end, you will have 48 single crochet. I have 48 single crochet. Fasten off. This is my first single crochet. This is my last single crochet and the back side. There are 2 loops behind. For the muzzle, create a slip knot. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first 2 chains and into the third chain create a half double crochet. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into this third chain, pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Add another half double crochet into the same chain. I have 2 half double crochet into my first chain. 1 half double crochet into next chain. 5 half double crochet into last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm turning on the other side and continue my way. 1 half double crochet in next stitch and 3 half double crochet into next one. 1, 2, 3. Now slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. This is round 1. For round 2, chain 2, 2 half double crochet into this first stitch. 1 and 2. 2 half double crochet into next. 1 half double crochet into next. Now I'm top of my 5 half double crochet into last stitch. You should have increases here, 2 half double crochet in all these 5 stitches. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 times or 2 eyes, 1 and 2, 3 times, 1 and 2, 4 times, 1 and 2, 5 times, 1 half double crochet into next one, 2 half double crochet in next 3 stitches. 1 and 2 once, 1 and 2 twice, 1 and 2, and 1 half double crochet into next and a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet, And this is the muzzle. It stands like this. For the ear, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first 2 chains. Into the third chain, create 1 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet into next chain. Single crochet in next chain and slip stitch into last chain. Chain 1 and turn to the other side. Slip stitch into this last chain again. Single crochet in next chain. Half double crochet in next one. And 2 half double crochet into last stitch or last chain. 1 and 2. And this is the ear. It looks like this. Now we can fasten off and create another one in the same way. For the hair, make a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet into the first chain. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And single crochet into this first chain of 7 chains. This one, single crochet inside. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch into this first chain. I want it to be smaller. You can change the height. You can change the length by adding chains. This is it. Fasten off a bit longer for sewing. For the leaf, make a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first chain into the second chain, slip stitch. Single crochet in next chain. Half double crochet in next. And a slip stitch into last one. This is a tiny leaf. Chain 4. Skip the first, slip stitch into the second chain. Single crochet next and slip stitch in next. I'm having 2 tiny leaves. You can fasten off. Consider one important point while attaching the ear. If you want to turn this capybara into a granny square, consider that while attaching the ear, you shouldn't use the back loops. Each stitch has 2 loops. The front loop, it's in front of me, and the back loop. We need the back loops for turning it into a granny square, so they should stay intact. So you can join the ears into the front loops. Let me show you. Make it a bit look this way here. For example, for this part, I'm using the front loop to join this ear. So that I can turn it into a granny square. As you see, the back loops are still available. I've used them. And there it is, my capybara applique and granny square. Look at the ear, muzzle. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crocheting!